Go ahead, next deep breath in. And let it all go. Very good. How'd that feel?
That was good.
That was awesome. One more time. All the way out. Perfect.
I felt that in my fingers.
Oh my god. Oh, it feels so good. Yeah.
Oh!
Has a massive scoliosis.
Look at that
Been
back.
up for lots and lots of years.
What the hell?
Beautiful. Last time I looked at that X-ray, I remember seeing
like a
18
lump.
fractures out of 24 vertebrae in the
24?
spine. Just bada bing, bada boom, bada bing. They
It's
were
like I'm
all
gonna
full
chop your
fractures.
back up.
Up and down, up and down, up and down. Good.
Ow!
Yep.
He just like broke her neck.
Oh yeah.
Leave grandma alone.
Good movement there, huh?
She's dead.
All right, Miss Lorraine, relax that head for me. Oh. There it is.
No more. No more. She's like thinking about killing herself right now. Look at her.
Wow. Wow.
Poor grandma's trying to get the words out.
Power's on.
All down the back.
She's like all done.
My middle of my back too.
That all healing takes time.
She's like, I'm gonna
This is
shoot you up,
Amazon
grandma.
Prime, right?
1, 2, 3. Head's coming this way. Hand here. 1, 2, 3.
There you go.
You've all been asking for no moan. Too bad. Back crack on for different levels.
Why do you guys keep thinking I farted? I'm just cracking my back. I'm about to show you again right now. Check it out.